Hi, my name is Rachel Meager and I'm with Group 8 and we did a holiday toy drive. This toy drive will provide toys for kids who aren't able to get them this year. There are lots of families who aren't able to afford them, and so we will help them through donations. Our MVP are actual toys. Our MVP is a physical item, it's a toy. The toys we give to our customers, which is mainly kids, will be stuffed animals, car toys, dolls, music boxes, etc. They'll be given to kids based off of their age. So obviously little kids will receive things more like stuffed animals and car toys, and then maybe older people will receive footballs and basketballs and stuff like that. Our toys are meant to bring joy to the kids that aren't able to have Christmas this year because of extenuating circumstances in their family. As for the market size and impact, we've researched, and about 1 in 2 adults say that they cannot afford Christmas this year. This is a huge problem, especially in America, because that's where statistics are for. Impoverished families and children without parents are the top of the market sizing list. For our assumptions and strategies, we assume that kids that are in adoption agencies, low-income families, and single-parent families, which are also usually low-income families, will be at the top of our market. Our strategy will be to work with stores like Kohl's, Dillard's, Macy's, Walmart, and other stores to bring Christmas to our target market. The total available market is 43% of the American population. The reason we say this is our served available market is because we want to reach out to everyone that we can, that we know about, that has circumstances where they feel like they can't afford Christmas this year. We want to bring it to everyone that we can. And as you can see, our value proposition is bringing happiness and love and joy to kids that need it this year.